Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my new vlog. How are you all guys doing? I welcome you all to my another vlog. And yes, you guys were guessing correct. I am at my home, and yes, for my study at home, I always prefer to stay at home because the academic coaching time is around 9 to 3 or 4. So yeah, it takes a lot of time, and it's correct 10:30 of morning. So yeah, this is the time at which I usually prefer to study because this is the time at which I complete my all of the housework, and now I am fresh and ready to study. So our today's target is gonna be very simple because as you all guys are aware that our GAT part comes for 600 marks, and while others are usually preferring maths over the GAT, I am here with my GAT book, and our first target is gonna be of our history, and then after history we'll be preferring biology, and after biology we'll be preferring English. So yeah, I will be completing these two three things today, and this will take the whole day as I guess, and if the time remains in the evening I'll be doing maths. So yeah, maths is like this to me, and when I study that, you all guys know what happens. So इतनी मेरे को देखो नहीं होती है कि सो मैं मैथ्स की प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से कर रहा हूँ इस वक्त। और there is always one thing I never forget to get to my study table before studying, and that's the water bottle because this is the summer time, and yeah, we should get hydrated before studying and also during studies. So don't forget to keep a water bottle with you. चलो तो अपनी first let's study the history of India, and I had cutted the parts which are not that much important. I was studying it, and this is the second time. Guys, I wanted to make you see something, means the books you prefer for study are not that much. Like, I wanted to make you see something that there are also some paragraphs which are not that much important for the exam. So I usually prefer to cut them like this, so you can also follow my tip and make your time more adjustable to the other things, or more it means you can utilize your more time in the things which are usually appearing in exam. And yes, yeah, your notes are the ones which will make you pass. So I am damn sure that I'll be clearing GAT, but GAT is easy. I usually prefer to go for the old questions of English. So yeah, I had preferred the same trick in CUET also. But at that time my fortune was not that good, and the CUT exam had you guys know what happened. So I had scored 650 out of 800, and out of 1250 my score was something around 826 or something around that. So the previous day I had shown the cutoff for our I had shown the cutoff for our St. Stephen College, and guess what? There is the cutoff of 926 or 927 marks for our St. Stephen College, and yes, that appears to be impossible because I am lagging 150 or more than 150. So I wanted to tell you guys something, that if you guys are getting a college, so आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू से डेट मेरे को अपना कॉलेज कमेंट में बताना मत भूलना कौन सा अलॉट हुआ। और मैंने जो है CSA का पोर्टल भरा था, तुमको पता ही होगा कि मेरे को कॉलेज अलॉट हुआ था श्यामलाल, और जो कि यहाँ से बहुत दूर है, मतलब कि शादरा में। सो बहुत दूर है यार, और अपने आसपास के कॉलेजों में तो ऐसे ही हो जाता है एडमिशन। सो ये हाल है, देखो भाई, इतने बढ़िया नंबर लाने के बावजूद। और तुमको कौन सा कॉलेज अलॉट हुआ है मेरे को कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना। And guys, just look at this is the narration part, and yes, this is the one which everyone feels very easy, means मतलब यही वाला पोर्शन मेरे को बहुत easy लगता हैगा, and this is the part which I usually do very easily. So इंग्लिश में मेरे ऐसे ही नंबर आ जाते हैं इधर उधर से क्वेश्चंस करके और बाकी पैराग्राफ लगाकर। So इंग्लिश इज़ नॉट दैट टफ यार, एंड नरेशन में देखो डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट में बदलना होता है, सो ये बहुत ईजी होते हैं। शी सेड आई एम नॉट गिल्टी, इनडायरेक्ट क्या होगा, शी सेड दैट शी वॉज नॉट गिल्टी, वेरी इजी। सो ये वाले तो मेरे हिसाब से सबके ही सही होते होंगे जहाँ तक मेरे को पता है। और देखो ये नरेशन बहुत ईजी होते होंगे, सो मैं इस वक्त ध्यान देता हूँ अपने देखो ज़्यादातर रूल्स याद करने पे। और पता नहीं क्यों ग्रामर का यही सीन हैगा दैट you cannot means you cannot do the grammar without remembering the rules, because there are various kinds of rules. For example, say for these are the passages, and yes, passages practice. I wanted to say you guys some that don't leave the passages there and don't leave the comprehension section, because children say that they'll be easily doing the comprehension means the passages in the exam. And after getting the exam paper, they usually turn out to waste a lot of time in the passages. So yeah, I wanted to tell you guys that don't leave the practice of passages, and also you can do the previous year papers, and that will make you practice a lot. एंड यार मैं तुमको एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ, मतलब कि अभी मैंने जो है थोड़े दिन पहले कॉलेज अटेंड किया था, 2-3 दिन पहले। सो ये देखो मैं रजिस्टर बनाया है अपने कॉलेज का, एंड आई वांटेड टू मेक यू सी समथिंग दैट words done in hotel management. So there were no professors for the first day, we were there for the meetup. So you can see that was a chill day. And after some time the seniors said that your professor are ordering to write something in the notebooks because they want to give you assessment marks. So don't prefer to stay chill and just talk. So ये था देखो वो काम, कंपैरिजन बिटवीन 5 बेस्ट होटल्स ऑफ इंडिया। और मैंने देखो पहली बार इन होटल्स के नाम सुने, द ताजमहल पैलेस मुंबई, द ओविरो अमरावलीस आगरा, रामबाग पैलेस जयपुर, एंड दीज आर ऑल दी 5 स्टार होटल्स, एंड ताज लेक पैलेस उदयपुर, एंड उमेद भवन पैलेस जोधपुर। सो ये कोर्स मेरे को जहाँ तक लगता है, सो दिस इज़ द कोर्स फॉर होटल मैनेजमेंट। एंड येस, एज द नेम सेज, दिस इज़ द होल स्टडी ऑफ होटल्स, एंड I'll be knowing each and every detail of every hotel. I assume so, because as the homeworks are coming and assessments are coming, I'll be highly educated in the field of hotels under the next 5 years. So don't forget to like and share the video. Also don't forget to subscribe. And yep, if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to do a comment, and also tell me in the comment section which colleges you are getting under the CSAS portal.